What's up guys, this is Massey, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to talk about rationalizing a two-term denominator. This is the part 2. You can find out the part 1 of this part. We want to rationalize a two-term denominator. So as the first example is 5 over 2 minus root 3. As I explained in the first part, when the denominator has two terms and one term or two terms are having square roots, we need to multiply the numerator and denominator by the conjugate of this expression. So it will be 5 over 2 minus root 3 times 2 plus root 3 divided by 2 plus root 3. So it's going to be 5 times 2 plus root 3 divided by 2 squared minus square root of 3 to the power of 2. That makes it 5 times 2 plus root 3. Because 4 minus 3 is going to be just 1, so I don't write it there. Next example. Is 3 over 1 minus root 5. Answer is 3 over 1 minus root 5 times 1 plus root 5 divided by 1 plus root 5. As you see here, we just multiply and divide it by the conjugate of this term. So it's going to be 3 times 1 plus root 5 divided by 1 squared minus 5, or root 5 squared, which is going to be 5. So we have 3, 1 plus root 5 divided by negative 4. Next example. I have 2 over 4 minus root 6. Answer is 2 over 4 minus root 6 times 4 plus root 6 divided by 4 plus root 6. It's going to be 2 times 4 plus root 6. And here you have 4 squared minus root 6 squared. We have 2 times 4 plus root 6 divided by 16 minus 6. So 2 times 4 plus root 6 divided by 10. These two cancel out. It will be 4 plus root 6 divided by 5. Next example. We have root 3 divided by root u minus root 6. The answer is we need to multiply it by conjugate of the denominator. Root 3 divided by root u minus root 6 times root u plus root 6 divided by root u plus root 6. So that will be root 3 times root u plus root 6 divided by u minus 6. Or you can even simplify it more. It's going to be 3u minus or plus square root of 18. Square root of 18 is 9 times 2. It's going to be 3 root 2 divided by u minus 6. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.